Next problem is a stone is dropped from a height of 5 meter. Calculate the time taken by it to fall and the velocity with which it hits the ground with acceleration 10 meter per second square. So here acceleration is uniform. Now we have to tell about the motion of the object. In this case, object is when coming down. There may be two situations when the object is going up and when object is coming down. So when object is coming out, naturally its initial speed is 0 as it is dropped. It is not thrown. And when it is dropped from 500 meter height, it means h is equal to 500. This h is s, distance covered from height A to B to the ground, that is the distance covered or displacement is s. S is equal to height 500 meter. U is 0, but when the object comes here, v does not equals to 0. How much v is that we have to find. So our target is to find the v. Now there is acceleration, and why is there is acceleration? There is acceleration 10 meter per second square, which is constant. So which is allowed to accelerate the body? This is the gravitational force. There is a force applied. This is by the Earth's force. So this Earth's force is called gravitational force. This force is accelerating the body. So here acceleration is positive, right? Then we have the three values. U is 0, s is equals to 500 meter, acceleration is 10 meter per second square, and we have to find the final velocity. So in this equation, in this problem, we will apply what is u is given. Solution given, u is equals to 0, we have to find, s is equals to 500 meter, and acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Simply we apply the third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. So in third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. We have to find out u is 0, then 2 into 10 into 500. So v square is equals to, this will be 0. V square is equal to how much? 5 to the 10, 10 into 5, 10 into 5 to the 10, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. Right? This will give you, that is how much? 100 into 100. This is 100 meter, 100 square. Clearly v is equals to square root of this. So this will give us the 100 meter per second. The final velocity is 100 meter per second. Now also we have to find, so the body will hit the ground with the speed of 100 meter per second square. So just you see that the body was dropped from a height of 500 meter. So when it reaches near the ground, how much its velocity is, that is 100 meter per second. Okay. So similarly you can solve other numericals by applying the three equations of motion, right? Thank you.